Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we'll be looking at Euro Yen. And what I have here is the daily chart of Euro Yen, and just want to show you guys that price made a low here back in June and it steadily climbed, okay, making what I'll call a triple top pattern over the month of August and September. Alright, the characteristics of a triple top or double top pattern is that it always has to be preceded with a very strong uptrend. Alright, and then a break of the neckline will confirm the reversal pattern. Okay, so we have the break of the neckline over here, alright, in this area here. Okay, and very quickly we can also use Fibonacci retracement from the recent low to the high, and there is a possibility of price pulling back towards the 61.8 retracement level. Alright, let's go down to the 4-hour very quickly. And just want to show you guys something over here. Now, we see the price made a high here, and it made a low, and then it made a lower high. Alright, using these 3 points, okay, we can actually use Fibonacci Extension, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3. And interestingly, we also see that the 161.8 extension, okay, falls right on the 61.8 retracement on the daily. Okay, so I just want to take these 2 points, okay, and I'm going to put a support level over here because that's going to be where our target is. Alright, so very quickly let's go down to the 1 hour, alright, to look for a nice entry. Okay, so on the 1 hour we see that price, okay, following price action, price sort of made a sideways motion in this area. Alright, the downward push really started in this area when price broke below, okay, and went straight down. So we can use our Fibonacci retracement, okay, starting from where the movement starts, which is this point, and all the way down to where price currently is. Alright, and then we open up all Fibonacci ratios. Okay, and we see the 23.6 at this graphical overlap. Now our daily and 4-hour resistance is at the 50% level. Okay, so our 23.6, okay, this can be our sell entry. So all we have to do is to wait for price to come back up, right? We see that price is currently making a small bounce over here. So price tends to make a push down and then a small retracement. So same thing, we should expect a small push down and then a small retracement, and then price can continue its downward movement. Alright, so we'll wait patiently for sell entry at this point, the 23.6 retracement, and then for price to push down towards our 161.8 extension and also our 61.8 retracement that we found on the daily. So I'm going to highlight the 23.6 and the 50%. Okay. Now that we know where the take profit is and we know where our entry is, we need to find out where the stop loss is. Okay, so the stop loss very simply is the level that we know that our trade, our bearish idea, is going to be invalidated. Okay, so if price were to come back up, okay, and surpass the 50%, it will mean that this triple top pattern on the daily has failed, right? So by the time price goes above the 50%, price would have broken back above the triple top neckline. Okay, so for that reason, this will be our stop loss. Where's the stop? Okay, the stop loss is here. Alright, and last but not least, we can actually, let me just zoom back out to the 4 hours so it's easier for you guys to see what is really going on. Okay, so this gives a very nice risk reward as well. Okay, so last but not least, let's throw in indicators. Okay, that's too many. I'm gonna just give this a bit more room to breathe, say 21. Alright, when price is trending, right, you see the 21 moving average holding price very nicely. Okay, so price is right now below our 21 days moving average. At the same time, the MACD is way below zero with no signs of turning back up. So as long as MACD is below zero, it means that there is still bearish momentum in the markets. Alright, so technical indicators confirm this. The triple top reversal pattern confirms this. So this makes for a very nice trade on an intraday. So So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's analysis on the Euro Yen. Wish you guys all the best, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.